Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have a special for you. I received an augmented reality headset that is a VR headset at the same time. This is Realmax Qian. I totally look forward to that, and now I finally got it. They say it has the biggest field of view of an augmented reality headset. I'm really looking forward to that. This video is about an unboxing of the headset. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Wasmer, Anni de Felser, VR Ambassador and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay, then let's do a short unboxing here. So as you can see, it says Realmax here, augmented reality, and here it says immersion AR, and here it says 4 GB, 64 GB black AR glass 2K, designed by Realmax in China. So yeah, Qualcomm Snapdragon high precision 6 degrees of freedom. Let's open that. I already opened that for my German channel, so I know what's inside. There is a case here inside, nothing else. I will put that here. And as you can see, yeah, it says Realmax here. And I will open that. So here it is. Here it is. You can see the stuff here. I will put it to the side so we can check the small stuff. So we have a cable here, no idea what that is. On the one side it's USB-C and on the other side no idea. Then we have a face mask here. Then we have a cleaning cloth. Then we have this thing here to switch to VR mode. So just plastic to switch. Then a small plastic piece here. And then we have a remote, a 3 degrees of freedom remote here. Then we have the power adapter and 2 cables. One cable is micro USB and the other cable is USB-C. That's it. That's it in the package here. And the problem is, I unboxed that and it was already broken when I opened that for the first time. So when you see the headset here, there is something that should be attached here and it's already broken. So the package doesn't seem very good. I hope it's not important. I can glue it. I can try to glue it. But this is of course the first negative thing. The quality of the package and the material doesn't seem to be very good, to be honest. But however, let's not see only this. Let's check out the package here. So on the top you see a USB-C cable, link for audio, the microphone hole, then and 3 buttons here. And on the front you see the 2 tracking cameras. There are some other sensors here. On the front, a lot of sensors. On the side there's, I think it's perhaps audio. I don't know. I think it could be the audio device. And here the lenses. And on the other side the other lenses. And here we have the battery pack. You can see that here it's connected via USB-C. And here's the, I think, to release the battery. Yes, you can release the battery here. I don't want to do that now. So that's how it looks. And now let's put it on our head to a first try. And I already tried that on my German channel and I didn't expect that this is so comfortable. It's pretty good. We can see the edges of the view here because there are 2 little windows here, and the field of view is pretty big, to be honest. Yeah, but however, it's quite comfortable, more than I expected, to be honest. And I will try it out in the next days and give you a review about that. I'm really interested in that because it has such a big field of view. Yeah, however guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE.